Medal lang ang buhay. Mm. Kain-kain. Kamatayin natin. Kain ng hampas. Hampas lupa. O, kain tayo. Mm. Mm. Sarap. My favorite. Ah. Ah. Mm. Hi, bud.
How's it going?
Good. Wait. Ah, so good. Ah. Agak manis. Mga Dor, nimbangal daw. Tono bigat jay kwa. Apa niya ti orsi kwayo. Paano yung balayo ta may agapok namin pati ospital. Nya ti waryo ya sa normal baling ko mga 5 kuma kasi 5:30. Sige. Sige hermanon ko. Okay. Ang sabi niya ay Freddy. Mag-aral kang mabuti.
Ms. Wallace, you are suing your former tenant, Ms. Denny, for $1,584, which represents a combination of what you claim is back owed rent, late fees for late rent paid, and breach of contract fee of $600. You claim that in early 2023, the defendant posted on a Facebook group looking for some commercial space to rent for her esthetician business. You happen to have some space available, so the two of you connected, and you ended up agreeing that she was going to move into the space. And as the months wore on, you had a couple of issues with the defendant. She was leaving trash in the common space and other things like that. And actually, you claim that one night, all of a sudden, the defendant started texting you that she was having problems with the space, and problems that you think were kind of raised in reaction to this response. Soon after that, you claim the defendant told you for health reasons and other reasons she just had to move out of the space before the lease was up, and then took off. She blocked you, and so you had no choice but to come to court and sue for the back fees here. Yes. Okay. Ms. Denny, you claim that the lack of air conditioning in this space created a number of problems for you, including specifically your business. So ultimately, when she didn't fix it by the end of July, you told her that I can't go on like this. I need to move out. The space is not working for me. And you requested to end the lease 2 weeks ago. You had offered to pay rent, you claimed, through August, but she declined. And so you feel that you've done everything you could to remedy the situation, given her failure to make appropriate space available for your use. So, Ms. Wallace, why don't you tell us about this space that she ended up renting? I leased the space. You leased the salon, yeah. You leased the space for your salon. Okay, so is this a sub-lease situation? Yes. Okay. So, Ms. Denny, tell us how you decided to post on Facebook. What was happening in your life when you needed a new space? So the space I was working in, it was pretty
Babush, let's go.
I worked in there for a few months. It wasn't a fit space. I was not feeling it was too cheap. And so you posted this ad. This is Defendant's Exhibit A, page 3, addressed to landlords and landladies.
Attention 7 Miami Beach.